Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing astrological insights that reveal how individuals born under the sign of Scorpio can effortlessly enhance their fortune based on their horoscope. By adhering to the tips provided in this video, Scorpio individuals can thrive in their careers, make significant progress in life, and harness exceptional planetary strength, lucky influence, and horoscopic advantages. For Scorpio individuals, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday are considered auspicious days, and the numbers 3, 7, and 9 are deemed lucky. Therefore, aligning important activities with these favorable days and numbers can significantly enhance the likelihood of success. The fortunate colors for Scorpio individuals include red, yellow, brown, and white. Incorporating these colors into clothing choices can bring good luck to Scorpio individuals. Wearing clothes in these colors frequently is believed to attract positive energies and enhance overall fortune. Visit Sri Subramanyeshwara temples and shrines to worship Lord Sri Subramanyeshwar on Tuesdays for improved horoscope strength and luck. Additionally, consider visiting Shiva temples on Mondays and Tuesdays. Chant the Om Sarvanabhavaya Namaha mantra and Om Rudraya Namaha mantra for at least 3 minutes or as much time as possible, every day or specifically every Tuesday. It is considered more auspicious to recite these mantras while visiting temples. Visiting Sri Subramanyeshwar Swami and Shiva temples on Tuesdays can help alleviate issues such as lack of courage, disharmony with elders, land-related losses, court cases, trouble from antisocial forces, fire accidents, vehicular accidents, police harassment, debt default, pressure from creditors, blood-related diseases, and sexual difficulties. Additionally, it can address problems like lack of interest, muscle weakness, anemia, and the courage to face challenges. Furthermore, visiting Sri Subramanyeshwar Swami and Shiva temples on Tuesdays may bring relief from debts, ensure a stable income, promote excellent health, wealth, and energy, and provide protection from calamities such as accidents, robberies, fatal attacks, and imprisonment. Prosperity in various aspects of life can be achieved through these practices. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to meeting you in other videos. Goodbye and Namaste.